Welcome to SolidWorks tutorials. Today we are going to do another 3D body. So by starting, we just double click on this SolidWorks icon on PC. So as you can see there, the body which we are going to draw is this one. So by starting, just click on a part, and then we are going to apply a scene. Just click on this drop down menu here, then select pen white. We are going to select font pen and then sketch. Now just select this line to draw from this point to this point. Right click on select, then go to line command, draw from this point up to this point, to this point again, this point, this point, and this point. So now we're going to smart dimension it. Click smart dimension. The distance here should be 95. Here the height should be 50. Also here the top should be 40. This thickness should be 15. Sorry, just double click it and then write 15. So I'm going to extruded both ovals, then select midi plane, and here should be 50. It is already highlighted, so just type 50. See, so I'm going to create a rectangular hole there at the top. From the top to the bottom, just click on this surface and then select a sketch. Just select a center rectangle. So this here should be 20. So click it, type 20, and here should be 30. The distance from this point to this point should be 10, and the distance from this point to this point should be 10. So now go to features, select extruded. Now select through extruded cut. Click OK. So we go back to front plane, then sketch, draw a line from this point to this point, then goes to this point. Then you can select this line, convert entities, select this line again, convert entities. You see, smart dimension it. Here it is 10. Yes, at 10. Now go to features, extruded both ovals. Now we select midi plane. So thickness there should be 10. Just type 10 and then click OK. So we are going to create a hole at this point. Just click on this surface. This is a through hole. As per the dimension, it is 2 times diameter of 15 millimeter. So draw this hole somewhere here, then smart dimension it. Now the hole is 15 millimeter. So Positioning of the hole from this point at the bottom to the center of the hole should be 25, and from this point to this point should be 20. Go to features, then select extruded cut. Then here we're going to select through hole, click OK. Now you see our body is ready. So as you, in order to make the appearance good, you can right click on this body, then go to appearance, select part 1. So we're going to apply a color. So I'd like to apply a green color. You see, okay. Now to save, go to save command. Now you can just write there party 7, just save. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for new upcoming tutorials, and thank you for watching again.